In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use Facebook to promote your products and services online. So if you want to do digital marketing of your business on Facebook, then this video is for you. Now, as we already know that there are millions of users on Facebook, but the best part about this platform is that it got a virality factor, which means that if you post anything on your business page, then your followers will see it first. And if they do interaction with that content, their friends will also get to see that content. And that goes on and on to bring more reach to your content, which is not possible with any of the other platform, which is a great feature to reach more people in your category. So in this video, we are going to take a look at few points that you can do to market your business on Facebook. And we will start with the point number 1, that is creating your Facebook page. Now this one is one of the biggest mistake I see many people make while they do digital marketing on Facebook. They do not create a page for their business, they create a normal Facebook profile. Now you need to understand that both of them are entirely different. Your Facebook account is your personal account where you are supposed to interact with your friends and post personal things. But a Facebook page is like a brand page, which is different from a personal profile. People can follow or like that page and interact with the content there. So the first step to do digital marketing on Facebook is that you create a business page, not a Facebook profile. Step number 2, optimize your page with all the basic details. Now once you have created a page, then make sure you spend a lot of time in filling up all the details and fill up all the relevant information about your business or the services that you are trying to promote with that page, so that whenever someone land on that page, they will be able to see whatever you are offering. So make sure you spend a lot of time in filling up every detail about the page. And once you are ready with the page, then comes the step number 3, that is posting content. Now, instead of posting direct links of your website or maybe just text or image post, it's highly recommended and it's time to concentrate on video content. Every platform now loves video, so make sure you use videos to promote your Facebook page as well. And if you are a local business, then while posting these videos, make sure you add the location tag so that it is visible to the local audience in your area. And once you start posting these video content on your page, then comes the next point, that is start joining Facebook groups. Now in order to get more followers on your Facebook page, it's very important that you join the Facebook groups and make sure you check that they are allowing you to post videos from your page. And if they do, then this is going to blow up your followers in no time. So whenever you are inside a group which allows you to post videos from your page, then make sure you post the relevant videos in that group and see how people are responding to that. And then just keep on improving and post more better content. And you will see in no time you will get followers from all these various Facebook groups. And even if people from these groups do not follow or like your page, there is an easy way by which you can invite them to like your page. So whenever you post any video on your page timeline or maybe any of the Facebook group that you are joined in, then you can just click on the post and see how many people like that post. And with that, you will be able to see an invite option. So you can actually invite people to like your Facebook page and then grow your audience. And then comes the next point, that is listing your products on Marketplace. If you are a local business, then make sure you use the Marketplace option of Facebook. Make sure you go there and list all your products and services so that local audience will be able to see that, and then they will contact you to know more about it. And of course, the bonus point is running Facebook ads. So if you do have budget, then make sure you try that as well, even in the very beginning stage, because with that you will be able to know how your audience is reacting to your content, and then you can go ahead and do the improvement to serve better to your audience. So these are some of the points that you can use to do digital marketing on Facebook for your business. If you have any questions regarding Facebook marketing or digital marketing in general, then do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.